So hello friends, today we are going to make squishy and jiggly jewels. So what do you need? A plastic mold, a measuring cup, a spoon, a stirring stick, any color which you like, liquid color, crystal powder and water. So let's start. First, take this mold. Then measure 15 ml of water in this measuring cup. Then pour it in the mold. Okay? Then add 2 drops of liquid color. Any color you want. 1 drop, 2 drops. Then stir it well so that it mixes with the water. The color has to mix with the water. So I have stirred the color. Put the stirring stick aside. Now take half spoon of crystal powder from the packet. And pour it in the mold. And then leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. The crystal formation is going on. See, it will settle down, it will soak the water, then it will settle down at the bottom. Then you will find your ready-made squishy jiggly jewels. After the resting time, you will find your squishy and jiggly jewels ready. See? Squishy and jiggly. Ready-made squishy and jiggly jewels. I also made a red squishy and jiggly jewel. You can make jewels of any other kind of color. Thank you.